I think you're fine, it's not bad. I don't know where the plane is in real life. I'm following with my camera right now. Oh, jeez. It's hard to follow this plane on this screen here. Not too bad. Dude, that looks really fun.
Look at that. It's not the full throttle, it's not going.
It's yeah, it's struggling.
Yeah, that's what he was doing. I do that all the time. Pretty sure you guys are gonna get sick watching this video. I'm moving way too much. It's hard to follow this plane. My hands are freezing, so I'm about to turn this off in a bit. Do something cool real quick. Nice. Okay, I just lost your plane. That's pretty good. God, it's freezing. My hands are numb.
Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna fly just one battery.
Ah, jeez. Yeah, my hands are freezing. I'm filming. This is cool. Hey, do something cool. Kamikaze towards my camera.
Oh.
I didn't get that. I got it, but it was very distant. There you go. Whoa, jeez. Looks like a little dot right now. Ah. God, it's cold.
I don't like it when it's pointed at me.
Do a flyby. Uh-oh.